Here's my latest find today. Actually, two of these. SMC 3 metal bladed ceiling fan model M48. They're actually in very, very good condition as far as the finish. There's no nicks or dings really. If there is, it's very minor. And they're actually complete with everything pretty much. Canopy, the two-piece canopies, which usually are not with these because they end up getting misplaced or whatever. And this one for some reason came with an Incon prompt and degrees controller instead of its original controller. I don't know if that was a mix-up at the thrift shop with another fan, or if it was in its original location and the original controller broke and they replaced it with one of those or whatever. I don't know. But there's one downfall to these fans. As you can see, there's oil spots all over from this slinging oil everywhere, which I'll explain in a minute the reason why. This one's got the original control over here and the canopy. All the screws and everything are there. Now the bearings are very, very bad in both of these fans. They're very, very noisy, and I've tried to use the WD-40 here and that did not help at all. It actually made it worse as far as the noise. And it's been slinging rust oil and gunk all over the place, as you can see right there. It's on the Hunter original blade. I tried the contact cleaner, that didn't work. Tried oil afterwards, that didn't work neither. These fans are dated, hold on, I gotta look at the capacitor up here. My phone doesn't focus when it records video, so I'm gonna have to cut away. Usually it does focus when taking a picture, but not video. Yeah, it's from 1979. They're both from 1979. And they both probably have been running pretty much the majority of that time. So that's probably why the bearings are far, far, far off. I'm going to turn it on so you can hear the noise. Very, very powerful fans there. 1979. You can hear the clicking and clunking, probably which is it's due to the dirt and gunk or rust or whatever that's in the bearings. And you can see that the oil's been slinging all over the place. So I'm gonna have to replace the bearings in both of these. It's well worth it because they're very, very powerful heavy-duty fans. I'm gonna let it run for a while. I'm sure it's not gonna quiet down. If I run it for 100 years, it's probably not gonna quiet down. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.